Hey guys, it's Puppy Human and welcome back to another video. I tried this and you know where you like hit that square button or something where you press your middle button 2 times? It did that randomly and I had to stop the video, so I decided to do it again. Really annoying, but so you should remember in my first video I made, I had those slimes, and can you guess what this is? Is it water or is it slime? Okay, so you should remember my first video. If you didn't, go check that out first and then watch this one. But so it's slime in this big jug. You might not see it. You might have to turn this. It might not be looking at you guys. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, I am a little sick, so I kind of sound weird. Yeah, so I don't know. Wait, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to get my phone up though. Right there. Okay, how about right there? No. Well, guys, it might be a little painful video. So I'm gonna try and put it there. There we go. Hello, guys. But let's start, and I'm gonna show you guys. It might be wide, I think, because usually in my other videos, I don't know. Look at that. And it's kind of satisfying. It's like water slime. It's not like that slime where you poke. It's like the water slime, and it's so big. We have a big container for it. It almost takes up my whole camera thing. Set that to the side. And do you hear that? It's so satisfying. Here. I just love that sound. So, hello guys. I might not be fully looking at you, but because I'm looking right there instead of here, I look at the thing where I'm recording, so yeah, sometimes I look down too. So yeah, you might, I don't know. So you want to see how big this thing is? Okay, it's super big. Oh my gosh. It's insane. It's almost big as, it's bigger than a tomato. Compare it. It's so big. And guys, this will stick to your hair if you have watery slime. Yeah. I'm pretty sure you know that. But, yeah. It is super kind of stretchy because it breaks like this. Whoa. Oh, wow. Guys, comment down below if you want me to hashtag bring it in the future, and I might bring it in the future. So guys, in my last video with that girl, her name was Carmen, the video actually got cut out because I ran out of storage, it said, and I had to delete all my pictures, but not, like, I only had 3 left, and it was actually my games. How sad is that if you actually had to delete all your pictures, almost all, and that's what happened to me. So, what did I hit? Guys, look at my hand. So yeah, you have to like run your hands underwater. You don't need soap. You just have to run your hands underwater. And because it's like really watery at first, you have to, oh my god, look at that. You have to run your hands underwater first because this is so watery when you start playing with it. Like when I set it all up before I started recording. So yeah, in the first video I ever made, my sister was cheating. She whispered, "This is not actually slime ingredients. This is not actually slime ingredients. This is slime." If you guys didn't hear me, she said, "This is not actually slime ingredients. This is slime." Look at that bubble. So satisfying. Guys, look at that. Look at my pinky. It's like in there because my hand is like fully. Guys, this was like indestructible. Look at that. It's like a big chunk right there. No, it popped. I'm trying to make another one, guys. Okay, I just gotta cover my hand with slime and I'll lift my hand up. I know I'm super quiet. It's just that I like to concentrate and stuff, and like I don't know what to say sometimes. That's it. That's all. So like, oh my god, guys, look at these bubbles are almost indestructible unless you like rip it. Come on, make a bubble. Oh. This slime is actually so satisfying. It sounds like water, but it's not water. So if you want to add me on Snapchat, it's J_. I'll look after the video, and then I'll put it down in the comments so you can tell me you're a fan. And yeah, if you know Unspeakable, he tells his Snapchat sometimes. Unspeakable and Preston are my favorite YouTubers. If they're watching right now, I love you guys. You are the best YouTubers ever. And so is Dennis. He burps in his videos a lot, and it's funny. And I like some meows a lot. So he's so cute. But yeah, you should comment down below. Say that I'll introduce all my favorite YouTubers. They'll say my favorite YouTubers. Watch if you're a YouTuber, and maybe it'll be you. And yeah. So yeah, do you want to see a bubble game, guys? I know like Unspeakable and Preston do these crazy things. If you don't know who they are, I don't know. If you do know who they are, you should subscribe to them and like. I've been knowing for Preston like a long time, not a super long time. There's a bubble, guys. But yeah. Okay, guys, comment down below if you like my favorite YouTubers. So the first one is Dennis. Second one is Unspeakable.
Yeah, that shut so we don't bug you or what?
Okay, guys. So my grandma was just talking to me, and I had to pause the video. So yeah, it's all fine now. So, but when I was off camera, there's this huge bubble came. It was like that big, and I was gonna record it, but I couldn't in time. It just popped. So yeah. So I'm gonna try and make another one. Oh, there's a little bubble. Oh. Oh. There's a little hole. Copy that. Look at that, guys. You should comment down below if you want me to bring this back in the future, because I will. It's fun. But if I have it, it's at my grandma's house. I'm at my grandma's house today. So yeah. You should like comment down below on a Friday after school. But yeah. But for some people it might be Saturday today. If you didn't know that. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Goodbye. And if you want me to bring in a feature, remember to like and hashtag bring in feature slime. Goodbye.